Today's helper, sitting here, getting ready to open up some cards. That's Loki. He's our buddy. And let's open up some cards. Get our little arena here going.
There you go.
I'm all messed up today. Let's see what we do here. Alright, I think we're off to a start. Energy. Misty's Determination. Brock's Pewter City Gym. Giovanni's Exile. I think we're only going to open 3 today. Eevee. Clefairy. Caterpie. Ekans. Paris. Orangaroo. And Jesse and James. It's a good one.
Sweet.
Not sure why we're so zoomed in today. Let's see. Yeah. That's all we got for our little area today. Alright, let's see. Which one?
You.
Mew. Mewtwo.
Only we have 2 cats sitting here right now, so it's pretty good. Right, Phineas?
Energy. Chauncey. Graveler. Giovanni's Exile. Staryu. Voltorb. Pikachu, good luck. Jigglypuff. Ekans. A Charmeleon.
Ooh.
And a Butterfree. I believe the Orangaroo is the new one.
I believe it is.
Alright, last pack for today. Another yellow energy. Magmar. Followed by Charmeleon. We say that's good luck here. Jinx. Slowpoke. Clefairy. Jigglypuff. Caterpie. Eevee. A Dartrix. And a Mr. Mime. Alright. That's it for today.